Hey everyone, MightyKidzTV here, and I just wanted to wish you all a happy Halloween! As you can see here, I've got a word written out in the colors green and orange. And that word has S-P-O-O-K-Y. Do you know what that spells? Spooky. Spooky is another word that means scary. And you know how the letters look kind of slimy? That means I'm going to be opening and playing with some slime for Halloween. Ooh. Let me get out my safety scissors and we can start opening it up. Alrighty, here we go. Cutting open some slime. Cutting it. Ta-da! It's open. Now, let's get out the slime pieces. The box says that there are 10 slimes. Let's see if that's true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, they were right. And it looks like we have 1, 2 of each color. What colors do we have? I'll tell you. We've got 2 yellow, 2 red, 2 green, 2 black, and 2 purple. All right, everybody, time for the moment you've been waiting for. It's slime time. Now, let's get out the slime and put it on this plate so I won't make a mess. First, the yellow slime. 1, 2. Next, the black slime. 1, 2. And the green slime. 1, 2. Purple slime. 1, 2. Let's move that out of the way. Ew, it's so sticky. And now, last but not least, the red slime. 1, 2. Since it's almost Halloween, it got me thinking, what do you get on Halloween? If you said candy, you're exactly right. That's what I was thinking. So I got some candy. Let's see. And the candy is also several colors. Like here's a Kit Kat, and it's red just like this slime. Let's put it on. Put it on there. And I have an Almond Joy, which is blue, but I don't have any blue slime. That's kind of a bummer. And I have a Butterfinger, which is yellow, just like this yellow slime. Well, I'm just gonna put it under there, and I'm gonna put it back. And I've got a Hershey's bar, which is brown. I don't have any brown slime, but I bet if I mixed all of the colors together, I could make brown. And I have a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup, which if you mix the red and yellow, as you can see right here, it makes orange. See, look, kind of looks just like the same color. I've got some Nerds, which are pink, and I don't have any pink slime, but if I had some red and white and I mixed it together, it would be pink. I also have some Gobstoppers, which are purple, kind of looks black though, red, and green. On Halloween, I like to hang out with my friends. So I brought some friends along to play in the slime with me. Come on out, guys. Roar! Whoa, look at all this slime. Aw, man. Some of it's the same color as me. Like the black slime is like my spine on my back. The red is like my back and my head. And the yellow is like my belly. Cannonball! Blomp. Ooh, what's this over here? Green slime and yellow slime? Those are the same colors as me. I'm gonna get in the green. Ooh, it's so jiggly. It's like a key lime pie or something. Ooh, look at all this slime. I'm going in the green pile, 'cause I'm green. Oh my goodness. Hey guys. Wow, look at all this slime. I think I'm gonna go in the black pile since the top of my head and my hands and my stripes are black. Bomp. Ooh, I'm getting in the green pile 'cause I'm green. Ooh, cool. I'm gonna go in the yellow pile since I have a yellow stripe on my head. Boo. Da, 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 da. Oh my goodness. Slime, slime. I'm getting in the green pile. Cannonball. Man, guys, this slime sure does feel good on your scales, huh? Oh, you bet. Agreed. Ooh, what's this? Slime and dinosaurs? Hey, Elsa, you want to get in the slime with us? Oh, yeah, you bet I do. 1, 2, 3, boom. Ooh, feels so good. I love this slime. Yeah, the slime is awesome. Yeah, you know it. Hey, guys, I sure could go for a bite to eat. Me too. I'm a little hungry. How about a piece of candy for all of us? Hey, that's a good idea. Oh, waiter. Yeah, I'm coming, guys. Here's a chocolate bar. Oh, thank you. Why don't you get in the slime with us? Oh, thanks. That sure was nice of you. I'm getting in the black slime. Cannonball! Bomp. All right, you guys ready to dig in on this big chocolate bar? Oh, you bet. Sure am. Uh-huh. Okay. Nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom nom nom. This is so good. Man, I love this chocolate bar. Thanks for sharing with us. Man, I can't believe we ate that whole chocolate bar. Yeah, it was pretty big. And so are we. Yeah, totally. Well, it was fun hanging out with you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in to the Mighty Kids TV Halloween special. To see more videos, don't forget to subscribe.